My love must be a kind of blind love. I can't see anyone but
Hey guys, this is Mikey Boy Tech Tips and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to partition your hard drive, whether it's an SSD drive or hard drive in Windows 10. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to open up File Explorer and go to this PC. Right click on this PC and go to Manage. Just wait for a while until the next window opens. And then we'll open up a computer management window. So then you want to go ahead and go to disk management. Make this larger for you to see it better. And now you will now see all of your system partitions and then your infamous Windows C drive. So this is basically the main hard drive or SSD that you have in your computer. And this is where all your system files are, and basically your whole operating system is installed on it, and so are all your documents, files and everything. This is where all the data is stored in, all the main data. This basically keeps everything in your whole system running, alright? So this disk management system is used either to create new partitions of a Windows C drive or to remove partitions. The benefit of creating new partitions is that if you have a lot of like documents or videos or pictures and you just want to have a drive to put all your system files and another drive to put your videos or another drive to put other things in, then you can do that. But for my case, I just have like a little bit of pictures and a lot of videos to create my YouTube channel, so I don't need this. I just store everything in here and then I have all these folders synced with OneDrive, so I get everything on any device. But for other people, if they have really a lot of stuff and they really like things organized, they can create partitions. So if you don't know what a partition is basically a new separate drive that's a part of this one, and then if you create a partition, it will show another drive here, which can be called data or music or videos, depending on how you call it from here. So you can also choose how much space you want. So for example, I probably want 30 gigs in this one, so I can fit 30 gigs of videos in this one. That means that 30 gigs is going to be deducted from here, so this blue bar will get bigger because you have less space in this one. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to close this. So if you want to create a new partition, you're going to right click on your local C drive, you go to shrink volume, you're going to curing volume for available shrink space. Please wait, this is going to take a little bit of volume. Alright, now it will give you this window. So here is enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. So I don't really know this, but there's a certain limit. So 1000 megabytes is a gigabyte. So you can either use this arrows to put it down, or you can just basically type it in. So for instance, if you want videos folders just for videos, you can type in how many gigs. If you want, for example, 20 gigs, for instance, go put basically 20,000 and maybe 2,000, because I don't think it will let you do it, because then you won't have enough space in your C drive. So then it will give you a total size after shrinking megabytes. 100 give you this, so it's 104,102 megabytes. So then go ahead and click on shrink. And this will take a while because now it has to completely, take away stuff from here and create a new disk image here. So it's going to take a while. Alright, so I have 1.95 gigabytes. I only chose this small amount in megabytes because I didn't want it to take longer than usual. So this is basically 1.95 gigs of unallocated space. So now you need to make it an active space so it can actually put stuff in there. So it's not going to be actually shown here yet. Yeah, so you can quickly refresh as many times as you want. It's not going to be there because it's unallocated. So I want to make this active. So you right click on it, create a new simple volume, go next. Simple volume megabytes, I don't know, just give it this much, maybe. Just keep checking how much it wants. Okay, just give it. Just give it this much. And now you're gonna go assign the following drive letter. So drive letter is just an indication of what you want. This is C drive, alright? So for instance, I would just choose D drive, and don't worry about that, it's just future reference. And go ahead and next. Now choose file system NTFS. Make sure it's NTFS or else it will give you a lot of error messages. And now you can label a new volume. So if you're going to store just videos onto it, you can go ahead and label it videos. And you can also perform a quick format, enable file and photo compression. I'm going to do that, just select this, go next, and go ahead and finish. And now it's created a new drive for you. 1.93 gigs free of 1.95. So yeah, so now you can go ahead and create a new text document. Right, name it test. This is just a test document. And then you can go ahead and save it and close, and it stays there. So now you have a new partition of this. Now if you want to get rid of it, if you're not going to use it, you want to get rid of it, well, then you go to right click on your local C drive, go to audio. Just let me do that for some reason. Oh yeah, sorry guys, you need to go ahead and delete the volume. Click yes. Now it's back to unallocated, so it's not active yet. And then you can go ahead and extend volume, so it's gonna get bigger, but because you're gonna delete a partition, you gotta delete this one, yeah. Remove it. Next. And go ahead and click finish. And it has been successfully removed. So now you can go ahead and close this window, reopen File Explorer, this PC, and now it's gone again. See, it won't even show up here. It's all gone. Alright guys, so I hope this little video was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.